गुवळी विरोधी पंगडान फाटल्या सप्तकात वेगवेगळे कडेन धाड घालून सुमार 1.5 लाखांची गुवळी वखदां जप्त केली। हातूंत LSD पेपर, DMT, कोकेन आणि चरसाचो आस्पाव आसा, अशें गुवळी वखदां विरोधी फाट्याचो SP तिकम सिंग वर्मान सांगलें।
ANC unit caught the biggest ever consignment of LSD papers ever in Goa. So it was more than 1800 LSD blot papers, and the worth of it was around more than 1 crore. So in connection with that, we got a second lead, and yesterday night we got another case in which we caught a South Indian from Manjuna area, and we had leads, so we conducted a raid in his house, and we caught DMT, a new drug which is found for the first time in Goa. So I'll tell you a brief about DMT. DMT is diethyltryptamine. It is very potent drug which, for 20 people to give a trip to 20 people, even 1 gram is enough. So this drug is primarily found is shipped from South America. So there is one ceremony also which is called ayahuasca ceremony, which is done for some spiritual purposes. And I have gotten information that in Goa also, in some hinterland areas, this ceremony is conducted. So this is our appeal to everyone. Anyone who gets any information regarding being a part of that ceremony or otherwise, you are please requested not to be a part of that and provide information to us. And so this case that we did yesterday, in that we got DMT commercial quantity. Apart from that, we also got some cocaine and charas. This entire raid was conducted under the supervision of the PI ANC Sajid, and ANC has been doing a lot of proactive measures. So this is the 6th case this month. So we are in fact trying to abide by the CM's vision of zero drug tolerance in the state of Goa.